Alright guys, so today we have this Android unit made by Confine. What it is basically a tablet in your vehicle. So we bought a 2010 Toyota Corolla, and this is our gas saving car, but it was very basic. The radio has FM, AM, so we wanted to spice it up a little bit and throw this unit in here. This unit did cost me $88, and it did come with this big touch screen and this harness. So we're gonna go through the install process and show you what this unit has. All right guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is remove this old stereo from this 2010 Toyota Corolla. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these plastic trims all the way to the bottom. So I already started here. They are clip-ons. So we just pull from the side up. Then we pull down our glove compartment, and this little compartment, you open it, then you grab from the back, and then you kind of wiggle. And it starts coming out. Just be careful, because if you pull really, really hard, you'll start breaking these little clips, and that's not good. All right, so we were able to remove the two pieces on the sides, the trim, 1, 2. Now we're going to come down here and remove this trim, which I have this little tool that's handy, and it gets right in between the cracks, and I could just lift up and wiggle out. So this piece is attached with this little compartment, which has 2 screws right here, 1, 2 on the side. So we're going to take those out. Then we're going to have to get our key, and then get our gearbox and put it on neutral to remove this compartment. So in back of this little compartment, there is a cigarette lighter connection. You just disconnect it, which is inside now. It's been disconnected. Now we're going to go ahead and remove these 2 plastic pieces, which I got my metal tool here, and then I went under and just unclipped it off. It's all clip on. Then you just wiggle them out and they come out pretty easily. Sometimes it sounds like it's going to break, but luckily I didn't break any, so just be careful with that. Next is going to be this trim piece. It's a little hard on there, so just make sure you pull it out. You kind of got to tug it out, and then it does come out. And then you loosen up these connections. Then we have the AC control unit. This one also is kind of tight on there, so we're going to pull it out. One side to another. I'm going to use 2 hands for this. All right, guys, so next to the stereo, there is 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 bolts to remove the stereo. So we're going to go ahead and get our drill with an extension, pull those out. So once I removed those bolts, the 4 of them, I pulled it with both hands on each side, and it all came out all together. This is still a clip-on, but it's best if you just take it all out. It'll come out very smoothly once you remove those bolts. This plastic top AC vent system here, you just pull towards you on each side, then it comes out. In back of the stereo, we do have a wire harness that's attached to the stereo. We're going to go ahead and disconnect everything, just little plugs. So once you remove the wire harness, the whole stereo can be removed. So this was attached to the old stereo, so we're going to go ahead and put that back since it's just a clip-on. So now we have that in there. All right, guys, so we're ready to install the screen. And what I love about these Android units is that they do come with a harness that directly installs to the manufacturer harness to your vehicle. As long as you have the right information, we're going to plug in those aftermarket harness right there to the OEM right there. And I'll show you right now what it looks like. So here we have our unit connected, our aftermarket harness to our OEM harness. It's a plug and play unit. And here on Budget Clan, we love to do it ourselves to save money. This is what it's all about. Okay, once we tested our unit, it powers on, everything's good to go. You hear sound out of your speakers. You're ready to put everything back on. So let's go ahead and start doing that. And also these units, they're specifically made and tailored to your vehicle. It's pretty awesome. It basically gives that OEM look. So everything attaches to this unit and goes back on like normal. All right, guys, so it looks like the AC vents had some parts that go attached to the Android unit. So I connected that together and it went placed together when I clipped it on. And also the same for the AC control unit. So it's all like one piece that goes together attached. So then we'll start putting back the trims. You can see here, they're just clip-ons. So just make sure as you're putting everything back that you plug everything back on. Wow, this is how the unit looks like once everything has been put back. Such an upgrade from a normal radio to an Android unit. Looks like you have a full tablet in front of you as you're driving. The main feature that I wanted was the Bluetooth. So we're going to go ahead and play around with this unit, review it, see if it's good, see if it's fast, see if it's efficient, and see what the pros and cons are. One of the best things about this unit is that it has Wi-Fi, so you can connect your hotspot to it and download some apps and do anything you want, just basically like an Android tablet. Definitely, this unit has a lot of applications you can download as long as you go ahead and sign into your Google account. Then you're able to access many things with the Play Store. So you go in here, you go to the Play Store, then from here, you sign in. That's going to check your info, and it's going to give you access to download apps. So if you can see here, once you have your hotspot or Wi-Fi connected, you can go ahead and get YouTube. So if you can see here, once you sign into your Google Play Store, you have access to all these cool applications, which is basically just like an Android tablet. So having this in my vehicle is very convenient. This little unit for $88 is amazing. So I'm very glad I bought it. Mainly I was using it for the Bluetooth because I just wanted to get my music on here. But overall, I am very happy with this unit. Now, Confine is a brand that's economic. It's a very cheap brand, but so far so good. For this vehicle that did not cost a lot, I am very satisfied with this unit. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.